Guest Relations Officer. A guest relation officer focuses on ensuring a personalized and pleasant experience for all guests, especially VIPs. In more details, welcomes VIP and repeat guests with a personalized touch, handles guest complaints and ensure they are resolved promptly, follow up with guests during their stay to ensure satisfaction, coordinate with their other department to fulfill special requests, collect guest feedback for service improvement. Telephone operator, PABX operator. The telephone operator handles incoming and outgoing calls and directs them to the appropriate department or guest. In more details, manage the hotel's switchboard system for internal and external calls, assist guests with wake-up calls, room service orders or inquiries, coordinate with other departments to relay messages or requests, maintain a log-off of all calls and messages for record keeping, provides emergency assistance by following hotel protocols.